Clearly, despite the cowardly attack on Tuesday, Pakistan continues to make fresh attempt of infiltration in the Poonch sector.
Absolutely. In fact, only yesterday, BSF jawans spotted suspicious movements and foiled what is believed to be a terrorist trying to infiltrate into our territory. Now, with repeated attempts planned by Pakistan, isn't it time for India to take a tough stand?
Its role in Tuesday's attack in Poonch sector is official. But Pakistan's dirty tactics appear to be far from over. At 11:45 a.m. on Thursday morning, BSF men guarding the stretch of LOC near Khanetar Nula in Poonch sector spotted suspicious movement believed to be that of terrorists trying to infiltrate into our territory. However, before the damage could be done, our men in uniform managed to stop them.
हमारी प्रतिक्रिया एकदम अपना दिए हुए प्रशिक्षण के अनुसार डिफेंस लेना और उनके ऊपर हैवी होकर फायर का जवाब फायर से देना और अंदर आने से रोकना.
According to intelligence inputs, 51 launch pads have been reactivated and more than 350 terrorists are waiting to enter into the Indian territory.
Following ambush on the army patrol in Chakandabag area, the situation on line of control continues to remain tense. Patrolling has been intensified and several nakas have been raised. Besides this, ambush has been laid at several points to plug all the gaps.
With Pakistan planning more such dastardly attacks along the line of control, Indian troops have been put on high alert.
पाकिस्तान का काम यही सर लगातार उनका अपना उल्लंघन तोड़ते रहते हैं और वो चाहते हैं ये हमारे ऊपर फायर करे.
They barged into our land, killed our men, and now with inputs suggesting that Pakistan has even gone to the extent of reactivating terror cells. Is it high time that India ends its diplomatic means and takes a tough stand? With Pradeep Datta, Archana Solanki for Times Now.